You look at it this way. I'll show you a chart. Now, can you all see?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Blank
Yes, sir.
chart.
Yes, sir.
If I'm talking of children, the past life of the children, if I'm talking of children, the bhagya, take it, forget past life. The bhagya of the children will come to whom? Misha?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Mm-hmm.
The past life of the children will be connected to Lagna. Naisargik Kundli, Leo is the child.
Yes, sir.
The child eventually becomes the king. Correct? Eventually
yes.
becomes the king. So wherever a planet is there, ninth from it will show the bhagya. So if I have a problem in my seventh house of business, ninth from it will be which house? Third
house, sir.
If I have a problem in my relationship, in my marriage, ninth from it will show the bhagya of it. Third.
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
From my seventh house, this third house is the house of communication. How many times our wives tell us stop shouting? How many times we tell our wives stop talking so much? Correct?
Yes, sir.
So would it be safe to assume that if we look at the fifth house from that particular planet, it would give us an idea of what was the past karma pertaining to that particular house?
Exactly. You want to remedy some.
Yes.
You also look at the fifth house. You have to see the Purva Punya. Na? Is there Purva Punya or not? Somebody's phone is ringing. Is there Purva Punya or not for that house? So from any house, look at the fifth house.
Yeah. So in this case, if I have to look for my career part, I would look what the second house would be in terms of, what in my past karma or my past life or something.
Yeah.
If I have to, that makes sense.
This is fifth house. Fifth house has Misha. This will affect us. Don't children affect us? Don't we all feel? Show me one father, mother who does not feel this child is from my past life. Just say 99.9%. Am I right or wrong? All mothers, fathers feel that, no? At least the child feels it. At least we will remember this. The child feel it in the initial years, at least till you stop giving him chocolates and video games. Child and Lagna. Lagna is you, child is fifth house. Fifth house feels you are from the past life. Are you getting it? Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Beta thoda to koi to yes or no, 4-5 log bol
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So either we feel our parents, the child, we are Misha. Child is fifth house Leo. The child feels at one point of time, parents are real parents connected from past life till 9 years of age at least. After that, the child starts feeling, is he my foster parent? Why is he treating me like this? Why is he beating me? Are you understanding the relationship? The very complex thing it is. But it is pure logic. Pure logic. If you don't understand, take the shloka verbatim. Take the shloka verbatim. 12th Lord of past coming in fifth house of authorship. Mars is ink. The person, Jamie Lee Curtis, has written a book. Fifth house is authorship, I said, correct? Does anybody know Mars is represented by which gods in Hindu?
Hanumanji.
And if you're from south,
Kartikeya.
if you're not from south, nor from north. But do you all remember the Puranic story of the birth of Kartikeya, Lord Shiva? Puranic story nahi padha aap logon ne? Kartikeya had 6 mothers. My God, everybody, is it too late? I understand it's a big session.
I think all the overseas are mothers of
Kartikeya, 6 mothers, adopted mothers. They adopted him.
Yes.
They raised him.
Yes, sir.
Now do you all understand the foster parent story? If you don't know that story, you have missed out. I can tell the whole story, it will take 15 minutes. But Kartikeya birth, just type, you'll get it. There are some 6 these things, the semen falls, etc. and all that. All those kind of stories are there. There are various variations in the stories also. Puranic stories, not north or south. Nothing to do with north.
No, Kartikeya actually,
Skanda Puran, you should read.
I know the story that Kartikeya was given powers of all the 6 Shaktis when it was made the Senapati of the
Indra.
Of gods. Indra.
And on the 6th day, he defeated the demons.
Yes.
Indra was very happy. But that is not whether he defeated. The issue is the foster parent relationship. Are you getting it?
The foster parent is going over.
Let's go back. I wanted to teach you all a very secret technique today. Wherever Mesh sits, that person will be influenced directly or indirectly with the karma of the relative in the sign where Capricorn is placed. Leo Lagna person, your Bhagya or your father or your spouse's siblings, his karma will be influenced directly or indirectly with the karma of the relatives, your relatives.
Could you please elaborate this?
With an example?
Yes, sir.
Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
10th house is what? Your father or father's family. If they are good, if your father has money, say Anil Ambani, or nobody wants Anil Ambani now as a father, I'm sorry. What's his name? Mukesh Ambani. Okay?
Mukesh Ambani.
Or Bill Gates. Who will benefit? If your father or father's family is a criminal or is supposedly criminal, say Nirav Modi, etc. and all that, who will benefit or de-benefit out of it? It will be again you.
You.
Now I'm telling you more subtle. This is the secret of energy movement. Nobody talks about. Wherever Mesh is sitting, please tell me a Lagna. Anybody? Tell me any Lagna.
Saji.
Look for Amitabh Bachchan.
Sagittarius Lagna. Anybody here has Sagittarius Lagna? Neighbor has Sagittarius Lagna. Girlfriend, boyfriend has Sagittarius Lagna.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
When I say boyfriend, girlfriend, everybody is saying yes. Okay. After. Anyway, relatives karma will come where? Family, Sagittarius Lagna. Capricorn is where? Second house, money, family.
Second house.
Okay. Where is Misha? Misha is in the 5th house.
It's in
Correct?
5th house. Yes, sir.
So your Purva Punya will be dependent on your family. Your children's life will be dependent on your family. Good family, good children's life. Tell me any other Lagna.
Cancer Lagna.
Cancer. Okay. So where will Mesha come? 10th house.
10th house.
Okay. Where will Capricorn come? 7th house.
7th house.
If spouse is not supporting, your career can go down. If mother-in-law is not supporting, your marriage can go down. If spouse is supporting or a good marriage life, career can go up. Of course, it depends on the yoga. It depends on the planets, whether it's support or not support. Why? Very simple. Which is the first house? You. Say, look at this Mesh Lagna here in the chart that you see. Mesh Lagna is you. Correct? 10th house is karma. Correct? Whose karma?
Your karma.
My karma.
Your karma.
So Capricorn energy is going where? To Mesha.
Correct.
Divya, tell me a Lagna.
Virgo.
Virgo. Okay. Where will Capricorn be? Anybody? 5th house.
5th house.
Where will Mesha be? 8th house.
8th house.
Okay. So your 5th house and 8th house are connected. In-laws, mental peace. Bad in-laws, no mental. Are you getting it? Husband's money, good mental peace. Husband's money, bad mental peace. 8th house is sex life. Good sex life, good love life. Bad love life, bad sex life. Are you all understanding?
Yes.
More Lagnas, give me.
Sir, I think it is.
Huh?
Cancer.
Cancer तो अभी बोला
Cancer
मैंने.
तो कर दिया. Taurus.
Libra.
Capricorn. Libra. Okay, Libra. Tell me, where is Mesha?
7th house.
7th house.
7th house.
7th.
Where is Capricorn?
4th house.
4th house.
So 4th and 7th are connected. Good home life, good mother, good property, good marriage, good business, everything. Bad marriage, bad this thing, etc. Again, 4th house affected. Are you all understanding? Am I making sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Mother's health bad or property bad, bad vastu, marriage life affected, business affected. हुए किसी के साथ? Yes or no? Has it happened? Yes or no?
What?
For Libra Lagna. Very bad observation. That is the reason I said 10 horoscopes for each Lagna. You should have all life completely connected. Scorpio Lagna. Where is 10th house? 3rd. Siblings. Communication. If anybody has Scorpio Lagna, see whether 6th house of relatives or 6th house of fights is connected to phone calls or siblings.
Scorpio Lagna 6th house will be Aries.
I can give so many examples. Right now while speaking, I'm remembering all my friends' charts. All the story matches. One of my friends, Scorpio Lagna, his wife only shouts throughout the day you're on the phone with your relatives. And that is the reason for the fight. Or throughout the day you're on the phone with your sister. Why? A man always adores his sister. He wants his wife to be like his sister. When you grow up, it's the image. I want to be as perfect. I want my wife to be as perfect as my sister, elder sister, especially. Whatever. Think on this. I know it is very different concepts than what you see on YouTube videos, etc. and all that. Aquarius Lagna. Where is Capricorn? 12th house. There is Misha.
12th house.
Third house.
Third house.
Third house. Third house of travel, siblings. 12th house of sex, foreign, everything connected. Third house of travel to temples, pilgrimages will be very significant. Father's mother will be very significant in this person's life, either there or not there. That is still significant. Making sense?
So
No.
why did you say father, mother? Father, mother, sorry. Why did you say father, mother?
Ninth
The
house,
third house?
ninth from fourth from ninth is 12th house. Mother is 4th house, father is 9th house. So father's mother will be 12th house. Master houses, if you can't do that, at least do the previous ones that you have missed out. Astrology is 24-hour job, let me tell you that. It's a very serious business. And I don't do videos for 2 hours. I'll do it till you all get exhausted and tired. Because there is so much to learn, no? So much to learn. At least 15-20 predictions you all should be able to do now after this course. Of course, to do that after 50 years of astrology is also very tough. Now, those years what I will do is I'll make it easier for you. 8 particular years I have given you all in the email. Collect charts of events on those particular years. Then I'll make astrology super easy for you. Hi. My net got disconnected. Are you guys there?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Anyway, start thinking, start with houses, start playing and rotating houses. Mother's father. From 4th house, it will be 9th. 9th from 4th, 12th house. 12th. So now you're getting the deep relationship between your grandfather from mother's side and grandmother from father. It comes in the same house. It's a very strange thing.
Can I ask a question, if that's all right? So you said that to rotate house. So if I look at the 4th house, which is the mother's house, from the mother's house, the father's house is the 6th house from the 4th. But does it mean that the father and mother are going to be enemies?
It is always a pending karma relationship. Your mother married your father because there was a pending karma. In the olden days, 7th house was not spouse. If you read very ancient astrology, I learned this from a Parampara astrologer in Jodhpur, 534 years Parampara. He said it was the 6th house for spouse. Because in the olden days, many a times it was a Swayamvar. So there was a competition. In Swayamvar means so many brides standing, bridegroom or whatever, this thing, and you choose one. So he said it was the 6th house. Why did Parashar Rishi write 9th house for father in one shloka? And few shlokas later, he's writing 10th house for father. Why should he differentiate? You, as a child of your father, correct? Father's child will be 5th house from 9th house.
Yes, sir.
That's you.
Yeah.
If you take 10th house of father, 5th house from 10th house is 2nd house. That's not you.
That's correct.
So in the south especially, they follow 9th house. 10th, they take as family man. So they're 7th from 4th of mother. So when you want to see in relationship to husband of mother, how their relationship is,
10th house.
how their marriage life is, that time you look at 10th house,
10th
the
house.
mother's spouse.
That makes sense. Yeah.
Father is usually the guru figure in the family, especially in south of India. So ninth house, he becomes your first guru. Although traditionally speaking, your mother becomes your first guru because she teaches you how to drink milk from her breast. Why 6-8 relationship between father and mother? The pending karma of your mother is your father. In olden days, mother used to serve the father, your father. Nowadays it's opposite. That's another thing. Okay, but still, this is how Parashar Rishi has given it. It is a googly that people keep on fighting in astrological journals. 9th house father or 10th house father. But when the 10th Lord Dasha comes, something always will happen to your father also. Why? It is Maraka house. Or it is the wealth of your father. Or the Naam Pratishthan of your father. Name, fame of your father. Or father's family, something like that.
So would it be fair to assume that the ninth house represents the father of the native, while the 10th house would represent the husband of your mother?
Correct. How their marriage is will be 4-10 relationship. How your relationship is with your father is one.
Ninth house, yeah. Fair enough.
I'll end the session today. Very important houses, planets, signs. Did we use any Dasha today in Prashna? No. Did we use any Gochara today in Prashna? No. We didn't even see yogas. Mahapurush Yoga, this yoga, that yoga, Viparit yoga, nothing. Only planet, where it is placed, which sign it is placed. And we could predict at least 4